Hello, Jack. Hello, Mike. Nice to see you again. How are you?
Hello, teacher. Stupid.
Oh, don't say bad words, Mike. That's bad. Oh my God, Mike. What happened? Sorry, I'm late because my baby is sick. Yes, he have a cough. I take him some medicine.
Oh. Oh.
Yes. He have a cough. That's why it's difficult him to give medicine. I don't know. He's not feeling well today. Okay, how about you? How are you, Jack?
I,
How
I'm
are
good.
you? Oh, you're good. Okay, that's good to know. And how about you, Mike? Where is Angel? Do you see Angel? Angel? Do you see Angel? Hello? Hello? Hello, Johnny. Oh, there you are, Johnny. Nice to see you again, Johnny. How are you today, Johnny? Can you see me?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good. You're good. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's start to our lesson. Where is it? Hello. Oh, where is Jack? Jack, where are you, Jack? Oh my God, Jack. Are you sleeping, Jack? Jack, are you sleeping now? That's why become quiet. Jack left the room? Is Jack left the room?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Okay, there you are, Jack. Oh, hello, mommy. Good evening. Good evening, mommy.
I don't see my camera.
Oh, that's why you left the. I thought you're sleeping. Oh, Mike, what are you doing, Mike? Mike, are you having what are you doing, Mike? What are you getting there, Mike? Oh my God, Mike. What are you getting, Mike? Mike,
What teacher?
what are you doing? Oh my God, your little brother, Jack, is heavy.
No, it's my
Sis, sister,
yes.
your little sister is heavy. Mhm.
No.
Okay, hi. How are you, Johnny? Did you finish your dinner already?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you eat? What did you eat,
I
Johnny?
eat, I eat noodle.
Wow, noodles. Okay, how about Jack? What did you eat tonight? Mm-hmm. Again?
Lapis. Lapis.
Oh, okay. How about Mike? What did you eat today, Mike?
What teacher?
What did you eat tonight?
I eat chicken and vegetable.
Wow, that's healthy. Okay, that's good. Okay, Angel, what happened to Angel? Where is Angel?
Teacher.
Yes.
Lapis.
Again, I can't understand
How
what is. Yes. What is it,
I
Jack?
eat lapis.
How is? What is that? Your little sister is watching TV? Oh my God, so cute. Wow. Jack, you need to be like that, like heavy like that.
No.
Why you don't like to be heavy? That's cute. Mm-hmm. Okay, class, let's start to our lesson. Okay, class. Now, please read aloud, Johnny, the title. Practice reading.
Practice reading. 18.
18. Yes, that is our lesson for tonight. Okay, we have exam. Did you prepare pen and paper? Pen and paper? Did you prepare pen and paper, class?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, part 1, 1 to 5. Okay, please answer number 1, Mike.
Okay.
Example. Please read first the example.
This is a giraffe.
Put check if it's correct and cross if it's wrong. Mike, finish the example, Mike. What is this?
It's a
Mike.
It's a giraffe.
Yes, correct. Next. Next.
This is an eye. No.
Yes, it's wrong. Now, please answer number 1, Mike. Ready your pen and paper? Part 1, 1 to 5. What is this, Mike? Mike. Are you busy, Mike?
Yes.
Oh, please answer this one. Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is a hand.
A foot. Please read aloud. Please read aloud.
This is a foot. This is a foot. No.
What is this?
A banana.
No, that's a banana.
It's a hand.
Oh my God, Mike. What happened? Okay. Okay, this is the banana. This is the banana. What is this, Mike?
Banana.
Yes, a banana. Okay, stop doing that, Mike. Okay, number 1 answer is hand. What is that, Jack? What is Mike? Oh, don't say bad words, Jack. Okay, the answer number 1 is wrong. Is wrong. Cross. Okay, let's proceed to Jack. Are you done? Number 1. Let's proceed to 2, 3, 4, and 5.
No, my baby.
Are you done, Johnny? Why are you so serious, Johnny? Johnny, why are you so serious? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No. Okay, we are done with this. Next. Okay, question number 2, Jack. Number 2, Jack.
No, I'm finished.
Okay, the answer number 1 is wrong. Is cross.
No.
Why? Well, you need to copy all?
Again.
You need to copy all, Mike. Oh my God, Mike. Okay, there. Okay. Please listen carefully, Mike, so we can finish early. Don't say bad words, Mike. Oh my God. Did you submit your homework, your video?
But I don't see. But in my download, it don't have your video.
Oh my God, why? What happened? You need to see the video, Mike.
Teacher.
Okay, finish, Jack. Let's proceed to the next. Let's have question number 2. Please read aloud. Are you finished? Okay, please read aloud, Jack. Number 2. This is, please look at the picture, Mike.
It's a lamb. No.
What is it? It's a
Pineapple.
Jack. What is this?
Pineapple.
Yes, it's a pineapple. Next, number 3, Johnny.
This is a what? Yeah.
Yes, it's correct. Next, number 4, Mike. Mike, number 4.
This is a tiger. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, number 5, Jack. Number 5, Jack.
This is a shell. Yes.
Okay, now double check your answers, class, so we can proceed to the next part.
Hi, teacher.
Are you finished, Johnny, Mike, Jack?
I'm almost finished. I'm finished.
Okay, let's good to go. Now let's proceed to part 2. Okay, example, please read aloud the example, Johnny. A boy.
A boy is playing the robot. Yes.
Yes. Okay, next example, Johnny. Johnny, please read the example.
They are followed in the picture. No.
Yes. Okay, there are 4 girls in the picture. No. Now let's have question number 1, Johnny. The green. Okay, you will answer yes or no. Yes or no, okay?
No.
Okay, please
No.
read first number 1.
The green monster is playing the guitar. No.
The green monster is playing the guitar. It's no. Okay, next, Jack, number 2.
The woman is eating some butter cake.
Yes, the woman is eating some birthday cake. No, she is holding. Okay, because, Jack, she is only holding the cake, not eating. Next, number 3, Mike.
Number 3 is yes.
Okay, please read.
Got a camera.
Camera. Yes, it's yes. Next, number 4, Johnny.
A girl is singing a song. No.
Okay, who is singing a song?
The monster.
The monster. Okay, number 5, Mike.
What?
Okay, number 5.
Number 5 is me.
Yes.
There is a doll on the table. Yes.
Okay, there is a doll on the table. Correct. Okay, now please double check your answers, class, so we can proceed to part 3. Okay, are you finished, Mike, Johnny, Jack?
I'm finished.
Wow. Okay, how about Jack? Are you finished?
Teacher, look at this.
What's that? Oh, what's that?
It's a top.
Oh, what is that used for?
It's my top. I
Mm.
make it with Lego.
Mm-hmm. Yes, very
And
good.
one more. And second, I don't. It's this one.
Oh, okay. Well done. Are you finished, Jack? Mike, are you finished?
Finish.
How about Johnny? Are you finished? Mike?
Yeah, I'm finished. I'm finished.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's proceed to part 3. Okay, please read the example, Mike.
The example.
Jack, sorry. Please read the example, Jack.
It's me. From
Jack, this is Lori.
This is lorry.
Yes, number 1, bike. Okay, now double check your answers, Johnny, Mike. This is a bike. Now,
This is a bike.
look at the picture, at the letters, and write the correct words.
What?
This is the question. Okay, write the correct words. Look at the picture and look at the letters. Write the correct words. Okay, finish? Finish, class? Finish, Mike, Jack?
Yes. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Okay, next, number 2. Please answer number 2. Okay, Johnny.
Boat.
Okay, this one is?
B-O-B-O-I-T.
Boat. Next, number 3. Number 3, Mike.
Slide.
It's a plane. Okay, next, Johnny. Hey, Jack. Sorry, Jack. Yes. Train. And the last is number 5. What is number 5, Mike?
Number 5 is a helicopter.
Very good. Helicopter.
Yeah. Teacher, I'm finished.
Wow. Okay, we are done. Are you done, Johnny? How
finished.
about
Let's
Mike?
go.
Mike, are you done?
finished.
Okay,
I'm
let's
finished.
proceed to reading part. Okay, now I will select one by one to read aloud and answer after this. Okay, first let's answer 1 to 5. Choose your answers from here in the blue box. Okay, number 1 is Mike. I am
In the school, a teacher is lesson in me. She's writing the big right. I'm
okay. White board. Okay, the answer is board. Next, number 2, Jack. Number 2. Number 2, Jack.
I don't. Number 2 on my wall. Some.
Okay, on my wall, some.
Learning in my.
Okay, what is it?
Sit on.
Okay, children. Very good, children. Next, number 3, Johnny.
They sit on trays.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, this is my talk now.
Wow. Wow, that's interesting. You can do a lot of things of that toy. What's the answer,
Yeah.
number 3, Johnny?
Teacher, look at the top.
What's the answer, Johnny? Number 3?
Teacher, look at the top.
Okay, the answer. What is it, Jack?
Teacher, look at the top.
Wow, its roll is spinning.
Teacher, I have something to
Oh, okay. Wow. Johnny, what is they sit on, number 3?
3 by. Do you know what is a 3 by?
Number 3, Johnny. Chance? Chairs. Okay, number 4. Okay, Mike, number 4. They read.
Wait me just a little.
Okay.
Number 4 is books. Right.
Okay. Books. Next, number 5. Jack, number 5.
Okay. Right. Straws. Show. Draw. Pictures. And play.
Okay,
Games.
games. Very good. Now, please read aloud. Johnny, please read aloud. I will check your pronunciation. The title is A Classroom. Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Where are you?
Mom.
There you are. Okay, please unmute now. Please read the title. And please read the story aloud.
I am in a school. A teacher gives lesson in me. She waits on a big white board. Teacher, me read.
Yes, later.
Confident letter in me. They sit on chairs.
Learn.
They sit on chairs and there are desks in front of them. On the desk, they have pencils and rulers. They read books, write stories, draw pictures, and play games in me. What am I? I am a classroom.
Very good. Okay, next. Jack.
I am in a school. Look again with my top.
What's that, Mike? What are you doing? Oh my God, Mike. Yes, it's spin. Oh, that is a spinner. Wow, that's interesting.
No, it's a top.
Okay. Okay, now let's proceed, Jack.
Lesson in my seat. Here, teacher. It's not a spinner. It's a top. It's spinning. What? On a big white board. And look, it's kind of cool. Teacher learn in me. Say,
Lessons. Lessons.
Yes, and
Front.
Front. Again, on the desk, you have pencil and rulers. You read books.
Write stories.
And in my what am I? I am a class.
Very good. Okay, next, Mike, please read aloud the story.
Me?
A classroom.
A classroom. I'm in the school. A teacher gives lesson in me. She's right on the big whiteboard in my wall. Some children learn in me. They sit on Chairs and their desks from off jail. On the desk they have pencil and rulers. They read books and write stories, draw picture, play games. In me, what I am.
What am I?
What am I? I'm the classroom.
I am a classroom. I am a classroom. Okay, we are done. Next. Now let's proceed to part 5. Okay, please read the example, Mike. Where are
Okay. Where are the goats? It's in the garden. What are the boys doing? What is the boy doing? He's reading a book.
Yes. Okay, question number 1. Mike, what
Question-
is the girl wearing?
The girl is wearing
Wearing a
wearing a
mhm.
wearing a yellow dress.
Yes, a yellow dress. Okay, now let's check your answer. Yes, correct, dress. Now, please double check your answer, Jack, Johnny, so we can proceed to the next. Are you done?
Yeah.
Jack, are you done?
No.
How about Jack?
Yes. Look, it is cool.
Okay, finish. Let's proceed to the next. Are you done, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's have number 2. Number 2, Johnny.
What is the black blue? It is the hat.
Mhm. Okay, you're not done, Jack. Why? Okay, next.
No, I'm not finished. Hat.
Okay, please finish, Jack. Go, Jack.
Tẹt một sảy nè, cái bị tóc cái gì? Không, cái
phiếu phiếu tại gì đâu các phiếu đâu
Okay, finish. Finish, Jack.
gắn đâu đi đâu
Finish.
Yes. Next.
Thoải mái.
Number 2, Johnny. Please read aloud number 2.
What is the black girl eating the hat?
Oh, the hat. What color of the hat?
It's white.
White hat. Okay, next. Number 3, Jack.
Mẹ, cái này con đánh đúng không? Đây thì con đọc đề bài. Number 3. What?
Okay, number 3.
Who? Who are number 3?
Số 8 đây đâu? Có biết các bạn học thì
You, Jack.
How many pets are pets?
để
Oh,
trên
yeah. This is 2.
Okay, how many pairs are there? Can you see the
2.
pairs? 2? Are you sure? 2?
Yes.
Oh, it's a lot.
Yes.
6.
Yeah,
Okay, 6 pairs. We have 6 pairs.
Teacher, I finished.
Wow, okay, that's very good. How about Mike? Are you done, Mike? Oh my
Yes.
God, it's dark now. Oh, I thought it's dark. Okay, Mike, are you done?
Yes, I'm
How,
done.
how about Johnny? Oh, Johnny, why are you sad? What happened, Johnny? Are you crying, Johnny? No. Why you're so serious, Johnny? You know, Johnny, my son is also new haircut, like same as your hair. Okay, next. Mike number 4. Mike number 4.
My number 4 is me.
Yes.
Okay. Number 4 is who is angry? The girl is angry.
Yes, the girl, the woman is angry. Number 5.
No, the girl is not the woman.
Okay, what is? Okay, who wants to answer this number 5?
Me.
Okay, go.
Boy. The boy is sleeping.
Okay, please read aloud first number 5. What is?
Number 5 is what is the boy doing now? He's sleeping.
Yes, it's sleeping. Very good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why are you happy, Johnny? Why are you happy? How about Mike? Why are you happy, Mike? Oh my God, Mike, why are you happy, Mike? Where is Jack? I can't see Jack. I don't know your reaction, Jack.
I see.
Được.
Where is Jack? I can't see you, Jack. We are done with our lesson. Let's have a game. Do you want to play a game?
Yeah.
How about Mike? Do you want to play a game? You don't like Mike?
Yes, I like.
Oh, you like. I thought you don't like. Okay, let's play again. Let's play again, class. Wow, we finished early tonight. Wow. Okay, who will be my teammate? I will be team 1. Okay, I will be Mike and me, team 1. Team 2 is Jack and Johnny. Okay?
No, I want to team 2.
Okay, you want team 2? Mike, why? You don't want to team with me? You
Yes,
don't want?
I'm boring now.
Oh my God, you're boring with me? You don't want me to be your teacher anymore?
But yes.
Oh no, no, Mike, no. I love you, Mike. Okay, we are team 1, Mike. And team 2 is Johnny and Jack. Okay, choose your number, Mike. Go, go, go.
What is that?
5. Is that correct? 5?
Yes,
Okay. What's this?
football.
No, football. Football. Oh my God, Mike. Are you sleepy? Okay, next, Johnny.
4.
4.
Four.
Okay. Oh my God, look. Oh my God. Johnny is winning and Jack. Next. What number, Mike? What will be our number?
Number. Let me see. Number
Num
6.
number
6.
6. Okay, what is it?
Horseshoe.
Horseshoe. Very good. Next.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Sunflower.
It's a sunflower. Good job. Next.
7.
7.
Basketball.
Basketball. Yes. Okay, now Johnny and Jack.
2.
2. What is? Oh my God. Why? Oh my God, my baby is crying. Come here. Come here. Why are you crying? Oh my God. Kiss mommy. My baby is crying. Close the door. Get the door.
Free. Teacher free.
What's that?
Free.
Where is free? Number 3. Okay. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
Earring.
Earring. Yes. Kiss mommy. Why are you crying?
Number 1.
Are you crying?
1.
What's that?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good.
11.
Yes, it's 11.
Cowboy.
It's a cowboy. Very good. Next.
Number 12.
Number 12.
It's a lighthouse.
Lighthouse. Yes. Next. Number 8.
Handbag.
What's that? Handbag. Next.
Number 16.
16. What is it, Johnny?
Snowman.
Snowman. Yes. Very good. Next.
14.
14. What is it?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Oh, Jack. You're late now, Jack.
15.
15. Okay, 15. Oh my God. Next.
Yeah.
9. What happened, Mike? What did you do?
Want me team 2?
Okay. What is it?
Chair.
Armchair. Yes. Okay, who is the winner tonight? Is my Johnny and Jack. Okay, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, let's have a reward for tonight. Reward. Yes.
Yêu quý trọng thương mến
I will answer your homework later because we gonna eat outside. Okay, let's have a reward for tonight. Okay, thank you for being on time, class. Doing your homework. Don't forget your homework, Johnny and Mike. Helping each other, yes, on task. Participating, yes. Remember, yes, Jack. Okay, I don't understand. What is that, Jack? Okay, top one for tonight is, who is top one? Who is raising hand? Okay, for Jack. Okay, our top one is Jack. Okay, this is your reward. A watch. Do you like it? Yes, it's orange, Jack. It's orange. Okay, next. For top two. Top two is Johnny. Top two. A Bluetooth speaker. Yes. A Bluetooth speaker. A mini Bluetooth speaker. A Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and top three is Mike. Mike. I give you this, Mike. Air humidifier. Air humidifier. Yes. Okay, that's all for tonight. It smells good. It's like there's a smoke going outside. It smells good, Mike. You like in a hotel, 5-star hotel. Okay, that's all for tonight, class, and have a good night. You can sleep now early, so you can make your homework, Mike and Johnny. Don't forget your homework, class. I will check later. Goodbye, class. Love you, Mike. Love you, Johnny. Love you, Jack. Good night. Early. Don't go outside. Good night.